Good morning. My name is Sanjeev, and today we are going to make a video about how the gratitude can bring happiness and joy into our life. The right meaning of gratitude is to start appreciating, accepting even a small thing into our life. Just for example, if I have a small house, limited source of income to run my family, and a small car, I should be happy, content into whatsoever things are available right now here. Instead of connecting with more useless and unwanted thought in the form of goal, dream, ambition. So it is better to live here right now with whatsoever things are available. Therefore, how the gratitude can help us to create a powerful, awesome, and the beautiful thoughts. As I said, this is the divine moment exists right now. So why can't we connect with it with the help of deep breathing exercise in the form of meditation practice? Then we can celebrate this present moment awareness and we can create a powerful, awesome, and the beautiful thoughts instead of connecting with useless and unwanted thought of goal, dream, ambition by living into the thought of the past or the future. So what I'm saying, the more we connect with gratitude, the better we can create few powerful, wonderful, awesome thoughts because this is the divine moment. The more you connect with divine moment, the better we can discover our hidden potential. And divine moment always exists right now. So we should not miss divine present moment awareness because this is the moment which we can connect, we can discover who we really are. The more we are happy, content, satisfied into living into the present moment awareness, the better we can secrete the dopamine, the better we can secrete the oxytocin hormone, which can help us to raise the frequency, energy, and vibration of who we really are. Be grateful in your heart. Whoever deceived, cheated, or betray you, we need to forgive ourselves in order to forgive them. And we can let go the thought of the past or the future. It doesn't matter how much he created a pain and misery into our life, but it's better to let go the thought of the past or the future by bringing our awareness back to the breath in the form of deep abdominal muscle exercise. And then we can live here right now. Accept each and every moment with deep gratitude. It doesn't matter whether there is a moment of the pain, happiness, joy, unhappiness, whatsoever things. Even I can challenge, as soon as we accept the moment of the pain, the moment of the misery, the moment of the sorrow, disappointment, or sadness, we can go beyond it. But people are struggling and fighting with useless and unwanted thought. Just for example, if I fail in any project or certification course or any kind of the business, what happens? We come to our house and we connect with so many useless and unwanted thought of the past or the future. So it's better to bring our awareness back to the breath and live here right now with deep gratitude. So what I'm saying, we need to accept failure, we need to accept pain, we need to accept the moment of disappointment, the moment of sadness, the moment of sorrow, So the more we accept, the better we can move beyond it. Be grateful for air, water, taking of the breath inside, The things which are free in nature that has more powerful, but we are not appreciating it. We are not appreciating and accepting the breath. When we are born, the breath come into our life, and breath is a life force energy. So we need to appreciate and accept like how we are grateful. Without breath, we cannot exist. But how many people are aware of the breath? Very less number of the people. But this is important things. So the more we appreciate an awareness of the breath, what will happen? The better we can discover hidden potential. The better we can move beyond pain. The better we can move beyond disappointment. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my talk, and thanks. Bye.